Finance 27C. Emma just graduated from high school. The college savings account her parents set up for her contains $35,000 and earns 6% interest. If she withdraws money for tuition and expenses twice a year, how much can she withdraw each time if she plans to graduate in 4 years? Okay, so Emma is withdrawing a certain amount periodically. So that sounds like our payout annuity. All right. So our principal is going to be $35,000. Looks like our rate is going to be 0.06. And our N is going to be twice, because it's twice a year. And we want to know how much she can withdraw at each time. We don't know. And our time is 4. Okay? All right, so setting this up using our our payout annuity, we have 35,000 equals W times parentheses 1 minus 1, parentheses rather 1 plus 0.06 divided by 2, and it's going to be raised to the n times t, so that's going to be -8. So close that parentheses, divided by the r divided by n. Okay, so remember that we need to figure out what this amount is right here. And if you do not have the fraction bar, you're going to need the parentheses around this. And so we're going to take this total right here, that 35,000, and we're going to divide by what we get here. And so I end up with $4,985.97.